Good morning students, welcome to GM Dunda Primary Schools. I hope all you are safe at your home and using all the precautions to stay away from COVID-19. So today students we are going to learn about chapter 13 prepositions. It's from standard 7th grammar. So please read these few sentences that are given below. The flowers are in the vase. Despite of bad weather, the boys played football. Radhika sits beside me. So the things that are in bold letters, that is in, despite, beside, are the few words that shows relation between nouns, pronouns, or some other words in the sentences. So basically the words in the bold are prepositions. Okay, we know that preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronouns and some other words in a sentence. We also know that there are different kinds of prepositions. So let us study the different kinds of preposition in the table. Prepositions: in, on, at, over, under, above, below, behind, between, beyond, and so on. So the uses of these prepositions are to indicate place or a position. Please do remember and please note it down if you can't remember, because this will play a crucial role to make prepositions. If you by heart all these rules, the prepositions will be too easy to be made. So let us go further. So by example we can see my shoes are under the bed. So you can see in other paragraph, that is at, on, in, for, from, to, since, during, till, until, and so on, to indicate time. I have been studying since 5 o'clock. It's indicate the preposition of time. In, out of, through, around, up, down, along, past, towards, away from, and so on. Away from and from are both different words, so and so on, to indicate the direction. The train passed through the tunnel. So please students, do remember the uses of all these prepositions. Okay, so it will make you easy to form the sentences. So let's move further. The prepositions: for, to indicate the purpose. Tahir is waiting for Mohit. From, to indicate the source of something. The tea comes from Assam. By, indicate the means by which something is done. We traveled by the train from Mumbai to Kolkata. So basically students, there are the prepositions and their uses and their examples, so it will be more easy to be bifurcate and it will be more easy for you to learn how to form prepositions. Like and as. For comparison, Ashish is like a brother to me. As, to mean in the role of. So it's a little bit difficult, so please concentrate on to mean in the role of. As your friend, I will always tell you to do the right things. With, means by which something is done, the manner in which something is done, to indicate that someone is in the company of someone else. She cuts the vegetables with the knife. He worked with the enthusiasm. Divya is with her sister. So students, these are basically some few rules, or you can say few ideas how can you make a preposition. So please go through it properly, remember all the rules and regulation. It will be easy for you to make a preposition. So thank you students over here. Please go through the exercise and try all these sentence in the exercise, and if any doubt will be resolved, we will be resolving at school reopens. Thank you students.